All right, so for this daily create, the idea was to create a t-shirt design that depicts your current sentiments. And happily, there was a little link here to go ahead and take us to a place where if we decided to do this daily create, we could design the t-shirt. I did decide to do this, so I clicked on the link and it brought me here. And I was like, oh, okay, cute men's clothing. Well, let's look at clothing accessories. Let's go to women's, right? Um, and let's go to t-shirts. All right, now we could shop by topic. Oh yeah, I want to create my own. I want to create women's t-shirts. There we go. All right, so create your own women's t-shirts. Create women's clothing, women's t-shirt. All right, this looks like, a basic woman's t-shirt. This looks good to me. So I would like to continue. I would like to start a new design. Okay, so here we are. So first off, I thought about what is my current sentiment? Well, my current sentiment is, why am I taking summer classes? Somebody please tell me who decided this would be a good idea, right? Whose idea was it to take summer classes? So I came over here. I said, I clicked on the text right here above the apply, and the text box shows up, and I can type in here, whose idea was it to take summer classes? Right? Okay, we're gonna apply that. Oh, okay, that's a little funny. I don't exactly want that to go like that. So now you can just take your square, you can flatten it out, right? Get your text where you want it to be. And then click off, and then you can kind of move it around like as a whole piece instead of just as that. Now, you can change your text color over here by clicking on any of these. I kind of was just going to keep it simple with the black and white. That's where I was. You can also increase your text size here with the little slider. I don't want to do that. Oops, it's a little bit bigger. I don't usually mess with the slider because of what you just saw, because I think it's easier just to move it around, and then I can adjust it by sliding the box. You can select your size here. Also, you can select your font. So you'll have different ancient god, whose idea was it? Right. So you can just have some fun with that. Whatever you think. I think I'll leave it there. Okay, now, if you would like to add an image, you can go here and you can go upload image. Where is my image is a really good question. I don't know. This is always the bane of my existence for these tutorials. I can never seem to recall where the image is. It's fine. I'll just use something because at this point it's like I use this for a different thing. This is not the image I use, but in the effort not to take up all our time having me try and find you can find any image that you want. You can upload it here, and then you could actually make it if you want, or you can just review and do what I did and say, okay, review. And say, let's say large, review for large. And there it is, right? So what I did is I just took a screenshot, which on the Mac is Shift-Command-4. You can go like that, and you can take a screenshot, or you can take a screenshot of it on the person, which I did as well. Okay, and then you can share that image onto your blog and turn it into your Twitter post for your daily create.